our hotel. So let's go. This is our room. Hey! It's the van with all the luggage. Big luggage, guys. Ito, nalukyak na siya, guys. Ayan, we have this. And then, yeah. Bright. Nakaw namin today. This is our first lakab. After na muna abot. Look at the street of Paris. Wow. Napamedre sa lapit sa hotel, so wala pa kayo tao. Anyway guys, thermal man yung suot. And then nagdala ko isa ka jacket just in case. Fit check guys. Okay, fit check. Aha. Ha? Picture na tara. Kaya lang yung lugar, it's ibang lahi na yung world, charing. Oh my gosh! It's so amazing, the place! Sige na kag-wow din eh. Ang maingon na ganun mo always kay wow. Asya, wow mo tra, wow, yung magipakita. Wow, grabe naman. Ang islay na... hindi ko sure, but I think it's the Eiffel, guys. Dali padulong sa ano. Guys, our first meal, fast food. Diba kami kabalo? Para salad siya guys. Although that. We are going to the Eiffel Tower. Naragbusog nga di busog.
Guys, it's so real. This is so real.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is for real. Oh. Uy.
Oh my god.
This is it, pancit.
Salamat ko kay Zarian nga nakaabot ko Paris. Grabe, mura jud kog maano, speechless kay ko bay. Tayuan na kaya ako abot oy, grabe. Pagka-traveler abot na yun mig Paris, guys. Hey guys, wilak na ko guys. Nihilak. Yay!
Representing.
Mag-selfie ta, mag-selfie. Saan? Ano yung tawag doon?
Guys, we are out and about. It's day 2 here in Paris, guys. So we are going to Disneyland. It's already 10:31 a.m. It's 8 degrees. Nibalik kami sa hotel because it's very tugnaw di ay. Guys, tapos welcome to Disneyland!
Happy Halloween!
Picture kayo na rin.
Amazing.
Guys, it's our first ride, guys. Dito tayo may isa ka ng roller coaster. Going on our second ride. See you later.
Such a loser, Zarian. Fast food is getting in our nerves. Guys, 250 ang ano. Saan siya? Nag-order ko. Teka mo.
Hotdog game. Wala metro. Wala.
Apo, nag-backpass ba? 6,000 na yung
Sa front guys, sa gagata namin aning. It's a small world after all. Gwapo ni siya nga, it's a small world.
Abi ba daw ka ng Pilipiniana, isa ba? Magsasaka, naikabay, naikabaw, tapos na yung mga kapalay. Uy, magsasaka represent. Ikaw, magsasaka represent. DJ na lang kaya. Bem.
Guys, manguli na may guys kay og na naman kayo tapos basig madugay may uli sa train kay daghanig tao. Bye Disney. See you again pag nanapad mong family. Roast bread. Bogs. Uy, nakakuha din siya ng ano, eggs. Ako wala. Here's mine. Uy, nakuha. Good morning guys! It's day 3 in Paris! Char, Paris na lang. Wala kaming itinerary for today but for our first stop, we are going to Avenue de Camoens. It's a picture spot for the Eiffel Tower.
Let's go! Hi guys! Hello sa inyo dyan. Amazing ganing kuha ni Zarian dere ba kayang na-discover. Wala kay siya tao ka na photo spot pero grabe. Tanawan yung ano. Tadan! Wapo ba siya ka na view?
Flavor. Hindi ko basa guys.
Hey guys. Nanamiss ko. A la carte. Ay! Ay, nako pa. Nami kami sa a la carte. Hindi din na siya pangalaga. Ano, bobo. Nami din kumita sa Shuko.
Buta ba murag laro sa video. Pwede na kamukaon.
Guys, lamig yung sudan nila guys. Grabe yung comfort food. 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. Ay, salamat sa Diyos. Busog kayo.
12:37 PM. Sige pa dali. So mga to guys, finally checked in here at our new hotel. This is our room, guys. O, diba? This is our
Nasaagod mo kanina guys. Putik dil abot mo ito sa kanang village bay pero wa man nasaag nakapalit mo yapon mi kaning among tuyo kaning sa tawag niya. Chapun, chocolate mousse. Tararat. Guys, gwapo kay na ilang ano diri guys. Kanang village guys. Mun yapon mi diri sa kanang but mong sikat ba ni siya pero nganong tanawan ninyo nganong ginapilahan kini siya. Hawang pila guys. Pag abot mo dire pa lang may kami pa lang after 1 hour tura abot na siya og abot na siya pinakatumoy guys. Sana masulit ang pagkaon dire.
tingala po.
Naka-play ka?
Steak in curry.
Guys, guba ang among elevator guys. Tapos namin sa 8th floor.
Guys, perfect. I'm on breakfast. Nice rice. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy.
Bull, ay ito ang bus.
You have the main street, yes, since 1933, this development has been completed now. So I'm going to turn out de Lafayette, right to how area of the Champs-Élysées. You know, we're meaning to read. Under the bridge. Now we're driving in front of the
Labing hawag juga siya.
Go, go, go. Wala.
Diyan ako.
The steps are not giving. Guys, we're here at Montmartre and we've been to Sacré-Cœur Basilica, but we're finding tourist spots here around Montmartre, so that's why we're going up and down. We've been to the Wall of Love. Nandun siya sa pinakababa. Karon ni Saka migbalik gikan na migtaas, guys. Anyway, guys, padulong mi karon sa Lamay San Rose.
Marag nasabog man. Toro beng.
First time mo ba yan? Guys, we're now here at Opera Garnier. Ang among tour group niya ato og Versailles. Pero mura man siya Versailles, so dili na lang mi. Di pa may mahagog biyahe.
It's real or fake?
Real or fake? O, diba? Close ang Opera Garnier.
Ay, ugma nang tabalik.
Di pa mi sure. Makabalik mi ugma, guys. Where do we go next? Doon rin siya Galerie Lafayette. Hey, guys. We're here at Chesming. It's a Chinese restaurant. with an Eiffel Tower view. Actually
It's
guys,
chamba.
when we decided na dito mag-eat, we did not know na nade siya Eiffel Tower view. Tingnan na lang, may pag-abutan mo dito na. Salin niya mas Eiffel Tower, char. OA. Forever to guys.
Scripted to
Hindi siya
guys.
script. Ayaw pag-on mo. Anyway, it's 5:30 so kaka-open lang nitong restaurant. Kabila mo, sige search na mo. Pinakabarat ko mga pagkaunan sa Paris. Tapos sakit anong mo na eh. Pag-abot na mo dari, ba, bugs na yung view. Sinong mag-aakala na may view pala dito? Okay. Guys, our food is here.
Dali aras yung picking duck mo eh.
Ang bilis-bilis niya. Paalisin nila kami kagad. Gasyong. Hindi tayo mag-order wine. Kaya mag-Charla punta. Pero may isa kabutil.
Cheers for more business.
Then we also have some dumplings oh my gosh guys, it's so overwhelming. The Eiffel Tower is sparkling.
And we are having dinner. Cheers to our success. Problem ang mga ka ng ano rin. Mabila yun ay mo. Thank you Lord.
1, 2, 3.
Bye.
Bonjour! Tomorrow we're going to Switzerland. So we've been here yesterday, but today it's really foggy. You can't see the Eiffel Tower. And we're going to the second floor. Guys, after pila ka minutes, we're here sa ilalim ng Eiffel Tower, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Our Eiffel Tower. We're here at the second floor, guys. In fairness, nagda na magkita. Although it's a bit fun.
Getting colder here guys. Di maburit yung Google sa weather. Ingon 14. Huwag di 14. Huwag tugnaw ayaw. Pero pag-blooded, mga big ni mga magbilan. Kung Eiffel Tower, guys. Uyok ka, good big ko. Kung Eiffel Tower, guys. Kani si Zarian, guys. Sakuan, gamay lang yun eh. Darok na gano'n. Magbuot yun siya kung video-video ko. Tiyawa mo gano'n siya ilang tanong. Huwag video lang.
Guys, we're currently here at the river cruise.
Gusto sana namin mag-bili kaso dinipili dahil.
Kaso wala pa kita tickets, so gusto namin anhin. Naray taping guys sa akong bataan eh. Dagko ka sila guys. Di may kasingit guys. Gamay ra kayo eh. So guys, naabot namin og Saint Chapelle. Pero na siya'y pila guys. Lahat
Kuha
na
na mo
lang
tanan ninyong mga
lahat
sala,
na lang
guys.
dito may pila kahit simbahan.
tsokolata pa kung asawan dito sa Paris, guys. Okay man, sorry ko na karoon, guys. Date cake, coffee date. Coffee date as always.
Tamis at puti.
Mabila na ako kay